Are you looking for the best laptops for photo editing? In this video we will look at some of the best laptops for photo editing on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. MacBook Pro 16-inch M1 Pro. Apple's 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pro models come equipped with the latest Apple M1 silicon, which integrates the system memory with other components, including the CPU, GPU, and neural engine. This results in an efficient, seamless experience between Apple's hardware and software, and provides users with desktop-like performance and fantastic battery life. Apple's newest MacBook Pro models also bring back the ports that creators actually use, like the SD card reader and HDMI port. The high-resolution screen features mini-LED backlighting, can achieve a peak brightness of 1600 nits, and supports the P3 color gamut, so you can get your images looking exactly right in post-production. We recommend the 16-inch model with M1 Pro for editing photos because it offers the best balance of performance, features, and price. The M1 Max is a nice bump in power, but better suited for people who do a lot of video editing. At number 2. MacBook Air with M1. The MacBook Air may not have Pro in its name, but it still offers plenty of power thanks to Apple's M1 chip. You can check out our Air vs Pro comparison for more head-to-head details. Even the base model is good enough for light photo editing, and its thinner design makes it easy to haul around. The battery also lasts long enough that you won't need to worry about a charger when you're on location. While there's a lot to like about the MacBook Air, there are a few downsides. It doesn't include an SD card reader or HDMI port, features that are only found in the Pro model. Luckily, there are plenty of USB-C hubs and adapters available, so connecting your accessories shouldn't be a huge problem. If you need a little more oomph, the 13-inch MacBook Pro offers basically the same hardware with the addition of a fan-based cooling system, which helps boost performance during long editing sessions. It doesn't add much bulk or cost. At number 3. Dell XPS 15. The Dell XPS 15 sports a gorgeous 15-inch 3.5K OLED display with a resolution of 3456 by 2160 and a 16:10 aspect ratio. Check out our TV screen tech primer for more on why OLED impresses. The taller screen gives users a bit more space to get work done, and the minimal bezel eliminates distractions. The cherry on top, the XPS 15's display is 100% Adobe RGB, so colors look rich, saturated, and accurate. There are a few different versions to configure with 12 or 14-core Intel processors, and you can upgrade the RAM all the way up to 64GB, which is more than enough for editing a large batch of images. The laptop also includes an SD card reader and 3 Thunderbolt 3 and USB-C ports. This has been one of the top models for several generational refreshes now. Dell has figured out what works and stuck with it, which we're glad about. At number 4. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Extreme. Lenovo's ThinkPad X1 Extreme is the perfect laptop for adventurers. Featuring an Intel Core i9 processor, 64GB of RAM, and a 4K display, the ThinkPad X1 Extreme is powerful and built to last. It was tested against 12 military-grade requirements, including withstanding extreme temperatures, mechanical shock, and altitude. This means it should be able to handle the elements, whether you're taking pictures at your local park or on assignment for National Geographic. 11th generation Intel Core i7-11800H processor, octa-core 16 threads, base clock speed 2.5 GHz, max turbo to 4.5 GHz, 18 MB L3 cache, 32 GB, 16 GB X2, DDR4 3200 MHz, 1 TB PCIe and NVMe.2 SSD. 16-inch WQXGA, 2560 by 1600, IPS 400 nits anti-glare, 100% sRGB, 1610 display, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti 4GB graphics, support to expandable with 3 monitors via HDMI and Thunderbolt 3 ports. Maximum supported resolution of 4096 by 2160, at 60 Hz, FHD 1080p IR hybrid with privacy shutter. 2x USB 3.2 Gen 1, 1 always on, 2x Thunderbolt 4/USB 440 gigabits per second, support data transfer, power delivery 3.0 and DisplayPort 1.4, SD card reader, headphone/microphone combo jack, 3.5mm, power connect Oro, HDMI 2.1, Kensington Nano security slot, backlit keyboard, fingerprint reader, Intel Wi-Fi 6 EAX210, 11x2x2 plus Bluetooth 5.1. Disclosure: brand new computer has been resealed to upgrade the memory or SSD. 3-year warranty from the manufacturer. 3-year warranty for upgraded memory/SSD for Issaquah Highlands Tech customers. Windows 11 Professional 64-bit. Ideal for student, home, professionals, small business, and school education. Certifications from independent software vendors, ISVs, ensure your most critical applications will run reliably on this workstation laptop: AutoCAD, Adobe Photoshop, CREO, SolidWorks, ANSYS, MATLAB. At number 5. HP Spectre X36015. Featuring an Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB of RAM, and a 15.6-inch 4K display, the HP Spectre X360 would be great even if it was a typical clamshell laptop. But HP went the extra step by turning the Spectre X360 into a laptop/tablet hybrid that comes with a stylus. The stylus features 1024 levels of pressure and supports the Microsoft Pen Protocol, MPP, so you can use it with other Windows devices that also support MPP. The 2-in-1 design makes it easy to get precise with your edits when tweaking colors and boosting shadows. There's something about editing photos with touch that makes it feel more immediate. Great Price Tech sells computers with custom/upgraded configurations to enhance system performance. If the computer has modifications as listed above, the manufacturer's box was opened by our highly skilled technicians for testing, inspection, and installation of the upgrades according to the specifications advertised. All computers and components are brand new.